Well, we've been doing some work in here. This is the bay area where we put all the controllers. We have 8 controllers. We got 4 hooked up so far. Well, 3.5, but 4. We got waiting for more panels to put on. This is the old place. I was going to put batteries, but we've turned it into a storage area. I got to put a hinge on that. And then back in there used to be the back in here used to be the water closet. That whole thing went all the way across. It was all hoses. I've turned it all to PEX pipe as much as I could. And I opened up that whole area over there. This is on a hinge that shuts. Then under here, I've made that all storage under there now. And up here on top, I'm going to put sliding doors right there on these. And then they'll be done. And I took the old boards out that had all this stuff on it. I don't like that. It gets dirty. And so I put new boards, cut them the way I wanted. We got a bunch more room in there now. This Redwood didn't have much space in there. And then here, this is the powerhouse here. Here we have 1200 amp hours of battle born. That's 1200 amp hours, 14,400 watt hours. We have 2 hybrids, one there and one there, one on each leg. Disconnect switch for that one, disconnect. Catastrophe fuse. These are the input breakers. 150 amp goes the other one and one goes to the other side. These are our breakers for the solar. As I said, I got 4 hooked up right now. Got the shunt here, all the negatives coming in over there. If you notice that, everybody should have these in their compartment. That's a smoke detector. We also have a fan up here. It's blowing on everything when the compartment's closed. I wired in a receptacle here to run that. And so this one we're still working on a little bit at a time. So I don't have to have both inverters on at the same time. I wired it up sort of like my outlet's microwave, one air conditioner's on one inverter, and the rest of everything else that we hardly ever use is on the other one. But if we want to use it, if we want to turn the hot water heater on, if we want to run both airs, if we want to run the fireplace and stuff like that, we can. We just turn the other inverter on. I'm not going to get up on the roof right now, but that's the rack up there. I especially built that rack. We've got 3 across right now. Plus we had a slope in the roof, but everything seemed to work just fine. We're going further back. We're going to go all the way to the back. But that's the rack up there. Right now there's 13 210 watt panels up there. 12 are hooked up. So that's what we've been working on. We're quarantined here in Quartzsite. Those two things are going into storage. We've moved out of the big sky. It goes up for sale next year. Solar on it. So this is kind of our camp. We've moved totally into the Redwood now. The horse trailer is over here. There's the horse trailer. It's got a solar rack on it. I put the awning on the, right now it's in the sun because the way it's, sun's way over now. It's like 5, 6 o'clock. But I put that awning on there so that it'll protect that slide and help protect the refrigerator. So that's what we've been doing. That's the rack on this side. We still got to come all the way back. Taking air conditioners off. This last air conditioner back here I may leave on. I'll only lose 210 watts. But it pushes air all the way to the front. And this window right here is an emergency hatch window. I've already made a thing to put a window air in there. This back is the bedroom. This is the front living room. So we've been doing quite a bit. Y'all take care now.